we'll be playing Running Dog. Yeah. Okay, so let's click yes. Let's keep with this doggy. You can have like different kinds of dogs. Sorry, you can have this dog, or this dog. But I'm gonna go with the first one because it's cute. Oh yeah. So we can only pick the village. So the whole point is to catch the bad guys. It's quite funny actually. So yeah, you get costume. To bite you have to like jump, like so. Collect money. Don't really know what the HP thing with the heart does. Almost hit myself on that thing. Okay. Come on. Die. Once you bite them, they like fly away. Awkward. Okay. Doing it so far. Die. What do you mean he didn't die? That's insane. It's like Temple Run, if you know what I mean. But different type of Temple Run. Except where you'll know. Except you are chasing after the bad guys, not the bad guys chasing after you. So yeah. Oh. Down. We're fine. Luckily. Oh. Almost fell. Almost. Oh, god damn it. Anyway, that was it. Hope you liked that video. That's my result. Anyway, like and subscribe and comment down below what you want me to play or do next. Bye!